Hello everyone, I'm back with one more concept and the name of the concept is comparing numbers. The learning outcome for this concept is we are going to compare numbers up to 6 digits using appropriate symbols and they are greater than, smaller than and equal to. The words and symbols to be focused in this topic are greater than, and it is represented by this symbol. This is the symbol for smaller than and this is the symbol for equal to. As we discussed in our previous video, the sky's problem, now the sky has come up with one more problem. Would you like to know his problem? So let's know and solve the problem. The sky once divided himself into 4 parts to count the number of stars that he had. He calculated the total number of stars as 1,12,245 in A side, 2,34,567 in B side, 2,50,976 in C side and 1,95,754 in D side. The sky was very happy after calculating the number of stars stuck on him. As you recall, the sky had divided himself into 4 parts to count the number of stars. But now, the 4 parts of the sky, A, B, C, D, have started arguing with each other about which one of them has more number of stars. The sky is confused and cannot find any solution on his own. The sky goes back to the moon to seek advice. The moon tells the sky that the solution is quite simple, as the sky just needs to compare the numbers to find out which side has the maximum number of stars. The sky says, "I do not know how to compare the numbers." Moon says, "It is very simple. I will tell you." As now we can see, the number of stars inside A is 1,12,245 and in the B side the number of stars are 2,34,567. Now let us see how to compare them. First, we have to count the number of digits in the first side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now let us count the number of digits in B side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As now we came to know that the number of digits in A side and B side are same. Now we can see that the first digit in A side is 1 and the first digit in B side is 2. And as we all know, 1 is smaller than 2. We can say that the whole number is smaller than the B side. That is 1,12,245 is smaller than 2,34,567. Now, the pointed side shows towards the smaller number and the open-ended always shows the number which is greater. Now, we say that the A side is smaller than the B side. Similarly, now let us compare the C side and D side. The number of stars in C side is 2,50,976 and the number of stars in D side is 1,95,754. As we can see, the number of digits in C side is 6 and the number of digits in D side is also 6. Now let us see the first digit in C side, that is 2, and the first digit in D side is 1. As we all know, the number 2 is always greater than 1. We can say that the number 2,50,976 is greater than 1,95,754, where the open-ended always points towards the greater side and the pointed side always faces the smaller number. Now we say that the C side, the number of stars are more compared to D. So C is greater than D. When we compare the A and B side, the B side have more number of stars, and when we compared C and D, the C side got more number of stars. Now let us compare which side have more number of stars, B or C. As we can see, there are same number of digits in both this B and C side, that is 6. Now let us see the first digit, that is lakhs place, where we have 2 in B side and in the C side also we have 2. So can I place equal to here, as we have 2 in lakhs place in both the sides? No. We can place equal to sign when the whole number is same in both the sides. So let us pick it up. As we can see, thousands place is different in both the sides. Now we have to compare among these two. Here we have 34 and here we have 5050. As we know that 34 is smaller than 50, we are going to place the smaller than symbol because the whole number will be smaller than the C side. So we can read it as 2,34,567 is smaller than 2,50,976. Finally, the sky found the solution that C side have more number of stars compared to all the sides, that is 2,50,976. Now I hope you all understood the concept comparing numbers by watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can post it to me on below comments. Thank you.